Well, how are we doing, folks? Chef Hara coming to you from Green Industrial, Belgium, Wisconsin. Springtime here, April of 2017. We are featuring a small Cummins ONAN 155 kW gen set. This is a diesel engine, inline 6-cylinder turbocharged diesel from Cummins. This machine here is rated at 155 kW. So you can see me doing a quick Megger test here on the generator end, checking the insulation on the generator end. And then once that was completed, we changed oil and filters, brought this thing outside, and boom, there you see she blows black smoke. So again, it's got a fresh PM on it, folks. Generator end is good. This thing is ready to ship. So one last time on the specs, it's 155 kW, has about 1,100 hours since new, it was new in '83. The engine itself puts out 355 horse at 1,800 RPM. So if you have any questions, folks, love to hear from you. Give us a shout at the office, 262-476-5045, or check out our website at gibuys.com. And as always, folks, save thousands and buy used from Green Industrial today.